Hey guys, this is Jay and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to watch my previous videos. I hope you guys like it and stick around and subscribe. For today's video, I'm so excited to share with you the progress of the bedroom that I'm making over. If you've seen my previous video, I've done the part 1. I also did a review of our bed and mattress and some DIY that I put up also. I hope you guys like those, and if you have not watched them, click pause and go back and rewatch those so that you could kind of have an idea of how this room started. So for today's video, I'll show you some of the progress. I'm really excited of how the bedroom is coming along, and I hope you guys like this video as well. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and there's gonna be more DIYs and updates coming soon, so I hope you stick around. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. So today I'm gonna put up curtain rods, a new curtain rod, and a new curtains. Well, not really new because this curtain I purchased this a while ago, and that's what we're gonna put up today. It's one of those ruffle type curtain from Walmart. I'm covering all the existing hole on the walls, sanded them and repainted them, and my husband is gonna help me install the rods. I got this metal one of those industrial looking curtain rod from Amazon. I'm gonna link this down below, but this is by far the best curtain rods, industrial looking curtain rods that I found that are cheap enough and long enough for what I need. I actually have this in our bedroom as well, and I'm planning to use the same rods for the playroom and maybe downstairs when I'm ready to change our curtain rods. And right here I'm just putting up the curtain that I already have. They're see-through, so we might need like a blind for the girls' bedroom like later on, especially in the summer. It gets really bright, and that makes them wake up super early sometimes. So this is how the curtain looks, and it goes perfectly with what's going on in their bedroom. The light fixture, I got this off of Facebook Marketplace for the bulb and the shade for $20, which is pretty good. And this unit is from IKEA. I believe the lady that I got this from didn't even open the package, so they're brand new. And the fact that I got it for $20, it's an amazing price. The girls love it because it looks like a flower petal by afar. I also installed 2 hooks for their towels. I made sure that it's low enough for them to reach it themselves, to hang towels after use and stuff like that. I used to have like one of those over the door hanger for the towels, but they can't reach it, and they always ask me to get the towel for bath, and so now they could take it themselves and they could hang it themselves after use. I want to have like a focal point in the bedroom, so this is what I was thinking. It's like a long floating shelf above their bed, and I want to center it so that they kind of have an equal part of the floating shelf. For Haven and Lexi, they could have their name up there. They could have, it's like a display area for their little knickknacks, and an 8-foot long wood from Home Depot is a perfect size to have in that space. So I purchased it from Home Depot, sanded them down. I didn't do anything else with the wood. I just want to leave it as is. And then I purchased this metal brackets as well. I painted them white, and I'm gonna use that to hold the floating shelf, and it's really easy to do, and it's a perfect space for displaying your kids' little knickknacks, photos, art, and all of those, and it turns out really great. And I really like this. Is my favorite wall of the whole bedroom, and it's really cute, and I could fill it with some memorable stuff that they have from when they were babies. And yeah, and it's really easy to install. You just need to install a drywall plug to hold the shelf, and the screw that I used was black, and I just went ahead and grab a little brush and paint those so that there's no you know, black peeking through the whole shelf. So this is what the shelf looks like. I can't wait to decorate this with their stuff, and it turns out really great, and it's a nice accent piece in their bedroom. I also did this cube shelf. My kids have a lot of like little baby things that I wanna put up on their bedroom to display, and this is the perfect shelf to do that. So I made 4 of this cube shelf. I made it out of 5x5 pine, attached them using glue and screw. I pre-drilled the hole just in case, you know, sometimes if you just screw it in, it will break the wood, so that's why I pre-drilled the holes. I also installed furniture bracket just to make it a little bit more sturdy, just in case I needed to put a little bit more heavy things on them. They will for sure hold it. And I installed 3 of this cube shelf on one of the wall. I used a miniature, like a small little L bracket. That's what's holding them. I always use drywall plugs to install my shelvings because I don't have any stud finder, and this is just an easy install for me. I just use them just to make sure that the screw will hold the weight of the shelving. So I installed 3 of this in this wall. I just staggered them as like that. That's how it looks. And I also installed one on the window side of the wall for Lexi. Now for the beddings, I got these bedding from shein.com. If I could find the link of this product, I'm gonna link them down in the description. I let the girls pick their own design. So Haven picked this polka dot design, and Lexi picked a little girly, like has rose prints on them, but they picked it themselves as long as they're white and not too crazy busy, and I kind of like what they picked. So the set came with 1 duvet covers and then 1 pillowcase covers for Lexi, and we purchased our duvet from IKEA. I'm gonna link everything down below for you guys, but I kind of like what Lexi picked as well. It's really cute and a little girly, a little more grown up. And Haven has a little polka dots. It's a twin size, and Haven's set came with a duvet cover, 2 pillowcases, and 1 sheet. So the whole bedroom is coming along so well. This is the before shot of how their bedroom looks before. I can't even like recognize this bedroom. It looks so different from now. It's crazy how you could change the look of a space by just putting up an accent wall, changing light fixture, changing curtains and all that. And I'm so happy of how this looks right now. Watch out for the next video because I'm going to go ahead and decorate the whole space, put up some art pieces, put up some little knickknacks that my daughter has, and I'm so happy that I could actually put up their little knickknacks on this shelf right here, as well as on the cube shelf. And I'm gonna show you that, all of that, on my next video, so watch out for that. And I hope you guys like this update, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next one.